If the brush roller is not spinning during cleaning with Tineco A10, A11, S11 and S12 products, don't worry. We at Tineco are here to help. The first step, use a coin to unlock and remove the brush roller to check for excess dirt. Use the hair cleaning tool to remove the debris or hair from around the brush roller, as well as the inlet of the floor brush. Then manually rotate the roller draft shaft to verify that it is working properly. Clean the connector and the brush roller chamber. Next, check and clear the tube of excess debris. After completing these steps, the brush can be reinstalled into the main unit and powered on. Typically, the issue will be resolved after this step. However, if the issue remains, replace the brush with the mini power brush and check if it can rotate normally. If not, the issue is with the connecting tube and main motor. Use the following steps to identify where the issue lies. Install the mini brush into the main motor directly. If it rotates normally, then the issue is with the connecting tube. If not, the main motor is faulty, though the probability of this being the issue is low.
Tineco